stunning 2 to 3 bedroom, 3.5 bath ranch cluster home with finished lower level on private setting with fantastic water views. The incredible finished lower level features granite wet bar, media room with projection screen and stadium seating, full bath, and possible third bedroom. Open floor plan layout on the main level with tons of natural sunlight, extensive crown moldings and beautiful hardwood floors throughout. White kitchen with granite island is completely open to the family room with fireplace. City breakfast room. Great room with vaulted ceilings and fireplace. Formal dining room. Private office with French doors. Spacious master suite with hardwood floors and French door leading to private deck, overlooking the water. Large walk-in closet. Master bath features walk-in shower and jacuzzi tub. Second bedroom and full bath, laundry room and 1/2 bath complete the main level. Extensive outdoor entertaining space, including screen gazebo, overlooking the water, gas fireplace, and water fountain. Enjoy the convenient lifestyle at the villages of Crystal Lake. Home was featured on the bath tour of homes. Newer AC, furnace, hot water tank and driveway.